Today we're doing something a little different. I'm making my boyfriend some Mexican hot dogs. He saw a TikTok and he said, let's make Mexican hot dogs. So I have jalapenos, red onions, some tomato slices. I have buttered up the hot dog buns. And the hot dogs that I'm using are Nathan's beef franks. They're good. And we got some shredded cheddar cheese. So you need to get some oil in your skillet, heating up. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is, once my skillet heats up, I'm going to put my hot dogs into this skillet. Okay, I'm going to toast my hot dog buns while my hot dogs are cooking in a separate skillet. Flip your hot dog buns over because you want to toast them nicely on all sides. See how pretty that is? Yep. I have some beautiful hot dog buns. So now you go ahead and you place your onions inside of the oil while your hot dogs are cooking. And you are going to also place those jalapenos. I only used 2 because it was just me and him. Okay, so you can use as many jalapenos as you like and as much as tomato slices as you like. I didn't even use a whole tomato. I just cut up part of the tomato, made some tomato slices. Like so, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Gonna be so delicious. Cook. They're cooking now. You're gonna cook them until they're brown on all sides. And that's the color that I'm looking for. Y'all see that beautiful brownness? That's the color you want on all sides. Okay, so let's assemble these Mexican hot dogs. Go ahead and place those beautiful cooked hot dogs that are gonna taste yum yum, so delicious, into that toasted bun, that toasted buttery hot dog bun. Let me tell y'all, some of these hot dog restaurants need to get like this, put some of that butter on their buns, because it was so darn delicious. I will be doing that again and again and again. And then we're gonna place those onions that we cooked. They taste so good cooked. I love cooked onions. And this is my first time ever eating a jalapeno that I fried, and it was definitely delicious. So go ahead and assemble all your hot dogs together. And if you have bacon, add some bacon to the top. We just were out of bacon. And then I placed that cheese on top. And these Mexican hot dogs were the bomb. Try them.